Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching today. In this video, I'll be creating a carnation ikebana arrangement in celebration of Mother's Day. Please enjoy the video until the end. Today's flower are carnation, cockscomb, Dracaena sanderiana, and alstroemeria. Today I'll be using 3 stems of Dracaena. First, let's take a close look at all 3. For this arrangement, I'm planning to place one stem upright in the front and use the other two diagonally following the lines of the other flowers. When you line up the 3 stems, you can see their difference clearly. The one on the right is the most upright, so I'll choose this one to stand vertically. Observe this Dracaena carefully and decide which side looks the most beautiful from the front. Once you've decided where to place it in the kenzan, be sure to insert it using both hands. Next, we are the second Dracaena. I've selected one with a graceful natural curve. After trimming it to the right length, gently tidy up the branch. Remove the lower leaves as they can get in the way when placing other flowers. It's a small detail, but taking away any damaged or tired-looking leaves helps keep the arrangement fresh and lively. By making this small adjustment, leaves that look a little tired can start to look fresh again. Flowers can change their expression with just a little care. So instead of simply cutting and pressing them, it's important to take a moment to gently work with them. Next, we arrange the carnations. Take a close look at the 2 flowers and compare them carefully. Use the larger, more beautiful bloom in the lower portion. When cutting the carnation stems, be sure to avoid cutting at the nodes. If you cut at the node, it can be difficult to insert the stem into the kenzan, so take care with trimming. Once you've decided on the length, insert the stem into the kenzan using both hands. After pressing it, gently tilt it forward at about a 45-degree angle. This helps the carnation bloom look more beautiful. From above, the placement in the kenzan looks like this. Next, we are the alstroemeria. It has multiple blooms on one stem, which can make it quite full. In Ikebana, we focus on the beauty of each line and curve, so I'll gently send out some of the flowers. This simple step helps enhance its natural beauty. I'll also remove bars like these. Alstroemeria is a very long-lasting flower, so even the pieces we trim off can still bloom beautifully. You can place them in a small glass or cup and enjoy watching them open. Next, we are the second carnation. Oh, I accidentally cut it too short, but don't worry, this happens sometimes. When it does, you can use a quick fix. I'll use some floral wire to gently support the stem. I'll use a piece of the carnation stem that I already cut off. Match it with the carnation that has the flower. Then gently wrap them together with floral wire. This is how it looks after wrapping with the wire. This time I trim it more carefully. Just keep in mind that it's only a temporary solution. Without water, the stem won't last. So this method is best used only when you want to display the flower for a short time. Next, we arrange the cockscomb. Cockscomb has many small buds along the stem, so I'll remove the smaller ones near the bottom. By doing this, the beauty of the main bloom can really stand out. When arranging the cockscomb, pay attention to its shape. This type flows like a brush, and the tip becomes thinner toward the end. Observe the arrangement you've created so far, and notice whether the tip curves to the right or to the left. Then decide which direction makes the cockscomb look most beautiful. For this arrangement, I press it so the tip curves inward. After pressing the third Dracaena, we'll finish the arrangement by adding one last cockscomb. For the second cockscomb, gently remove the smaller buds just like before. If any leaves are damaged, you can either remove them or simply trim the damaged areas. In Japan, it's common to give carnations on Mother's Day. What about your country? Please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. All done! How does it look? I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. That's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. And if you like to be even more healed by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available in both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. I also share more about Ikebana and Japanese culture on Substack, so please check it out as well. You'll find all the details in the description box below. もっとお花に癒されたいなと思ったら、ぜひ私の電子書籍をご覧ください。日本語版と英語版をご用意しております。また、サブスタックも始めました。動画の概要欄からぜひチェックしてみてくださいね。本日もご覧いただきありがとうございました。Thank you for watching till the end. それではまた次回の動画でお会いしましょう。See you next time. Bye!